Hey YouTube, welcome back to Zittle Farms YouTube channel. On today's video, we're going to be going and ripping out all this Russian olive that's grown along the creek bed. My father and I did the corner over here along the bank. Still has some pricker bushes and stuff. I just picked up that new machine right there, a DR walk behind trimmer. Let's see how that does, knocking all that prickers down. We were using the tractor with a chain, ripping these things out. They're terrible. Invasive species, grows like bamboo almost, like when the roots grow. Another one sprouts out and then keeps going like that. As you can see, it goes along the whole bank there. And I like to clean that up. That way we can see our creek. Let's try this new machine out here. Like I said, it's the DR Trimmer. I heard, so this just isn't self-propelled, which is okay. It makes it lighter so you can maneuver it easier. And self-propelled's only forward, doesn't have reverse. So right now, these strings that I'm using were given to me by the previous owner that I bought off Facebook Marketplace. They look like they're shorter than what DR recommends 25 inch, and these are around 18.5 or something like that. Well, let's see how this machine works, see if it'll knock it down. Maybe easier than a weed whacker, maybe not, I don't know, but let's see how she does. Hope you enjoy. If you haven't already, please subscribe. Let's get started. So those smaller ones have actually worked out pretty well along the bank there. It looks great now. I think with the shorter one, it doesn't have as much force behind it, but as you can see, it still gets the job done. These were also in the package. 2 different colors. I think this is the one that comes from DR, the blue one, but see how much longer they are? And this actually has some little like ripples in it. This one's smooth, just as long, but just smooth. So this actually gives me a good opportunity to see which one I really want to get. I have a feeling this one's not grabbing as much in here at the spindle, and this is gonna, it has a texture to it, so it's gonna rip through more. Pretty sure I'm gonna go with this, buy this off DR's website, but let's give it a try. Now I'm just gonna trim along the bank here, get all the small stuff, so when my dad comes to help me with the tractor or the skid steer, I'm not getting all tore up with the chain ripping the Russian olive out. So let's get all these small prickers out first, and then it'll make the job easier, I think, here come in the next week or two. Hope you guys are enjoying this video. Let's see how these ones do. Wow, what a difference. Those longer strings make a huge difference. I know that was some big stuff we were just going through, but the blue one snapped. Green one's still on there strong. Oh, that makes a hard decision for me. If you have any thoughts or ideas, please leave a comment below, or if you have any experience with this DR machine and which string to use, that would be a great help. Hey guys, hope you enjoyed this video on the first time using the DR walk behind trimmer. Like I said, if you have any suggestions on which string to use for it, leave a comment below. The green one ended up not lasting as long as I was hoping. It fell off right afterwards too. But it does one heck of a job, exactly what I want it to do. It's pretty lightweight. As you can see, sometimes I'm operating it with just one arm, so that's a good buy off Facebook Marketplace. If you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, subscribe, that'd be great. We'll see you guys on the next one.